Okay, we're at Lock City Drift. Cars are ready. Brittany has been doing school stuff all morning, and we're gonna put some of that in here.
She said, call you back, call you back. She said, call you back. She said, call you back, call you back. She said, call you back. Get a minute. You know what you say, what you say, what you say, what you say. You know what you say.
This is going great. It's my first time in this car. I have never driven it before today. I've sat in it like twice. So far so good. I am working on transitions because that's really hard for me, but the car is mint. We're figuring out a little bit of the, I can't even really call them gremlins, but the fuel, I ran out of fuel. Because it was on quarter tank, and apparently quarter tank means empty, so now we know. But other than that, it's just so much fun. It rips.
Understanding the car pretty quickly compared to the Z. The Z was just underpowered and she just couldn't quite figure out how to get it to its power limit to actually work. So the IS is a lot more predictable in terms of how the power comes on. It's got, you know, quite a bit more power. So it's been working well for her. She's just working on like transition stuff right now, but in terms of throttle control and wheel control, she's really good. So she's all stoked up, and this afternoon I'll get into doing shakedown stuff on the FRS.